Well, you guys, I come out to check on the baby birds and they are still in there. But because their eyes are open, they can see me and they hurry scurry to the back of the nest. I can see part of one's wing there. So I don't know how many more videos I'll be able to get of them because I scare them since they can see me. But they're still in there. Okay, we're gonna try this again. See if I can be super sleuthy. Besides just super shaky. Yeah, I see one. See one laying there. All right, well there they are for today. We'll check back this evening.